Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use presets in DaVinci Resolve. Presets are incredibly powerful tools, offering pre-configured settings for effects, transitions, and color grades. They can save you hours by applying complex adjustments with just one click. DaVinci Resolve provides a vast library of built-in presets designed to streamline your workflow and ensure a consistent look and feel across all your video projects. Applying a preset is straightforward. First, open the Effects library, typically found on the left side of your screen in the Edit or Color page. Browse through categories like Transitions, Open FX, or Generators to find what you need. Once you've selected a preset, simply drag and drop it onto your desired clip or timeline. You can then fine-tune its parameters in the Inspector panel to achieve your exact vision. DaVinci Resolve allows you to customize existing presets and save your own. After applying a preset, make any desired adjustments in the Inspector panel. Once satisfied, right-click on the effect in the Inspector and choose Save as New Preset. Give it a descriptive name, and it will appear in the User section of your Effects library, ready for future use. This is perfect for maintaining a unique style. Efficiently managing your presets is key to a smooth workflow. You can organize your custom presets into folders within the Effects library for better navigation. For sharing or backup, right-click on a preset and select Export Preset. Similarly, you can import presets from other creators or projects. Regularly cleaning up your library by deleting unused presets ensures it remains streamlined and easy to navigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.